Not that long ago, I did a video talking about Craftsman's warranty in 2023. If you haven't seen that, check it out. But I got this Ratchet, and even though it looks good, listen. The thing sounds bone dry, and that is a great way to prematurely wear. I think this was like a $40 Ratchet. So let's fix that. Even though there's that warranty, who knows how much longer that's gonna last. So it's very straightforward. Everything I use will be linked below. There's two T8 screws here that you'll need to remove. And now you can just push everything out here. So look at this. That's it. Some of you might be content with that, but that little amount of oil does nothing. So I say we grease this up and help it last a little bit longer. Fortunately, the cleanup will be easy. I'm just gonna quickly wipe everything down. So we start fresh here. Always inspect the teeth, just so you don't put back something that's gonna fail you later, or I guess constantly fail you. Then let's just put things back. So let's see, we're gonna put a little bit of grease in here. Put the switching mechanism in. Then still a little grease. Put that on the spring. The spring goes down the middle. And then this pronged piece, the middle prong goes in the center of the spring. This might be harder to do than I thought. Like that. See, like that. Put a little grease here on the pawl mechanism. And then do our best to hold that in place while we get the main gear in. That's pretty easy. And I would have preferred to put some grease on the main gear to start with before putting it in, but it looks like we have a wide gap there that we can have our grease circulate. So we'll do that. Some grease. Now we just give it a little spin, and that will help work it in. Add some more. There we go. And then we'll put on this cover, since there's plenty of grease in there now. Come around back, hold the faceplate on, since the screws will bite in that way. And just snug it up. We don't need to do that much, just enough to get it in there. And that is it. Wipe off the excess. And kind of work that grease around. Now you can't even hear it. So I hope the video was helpful. Questions or comments, please put it below. This is a CMMT99428. Tips or suggestions are always appreciated. Thanks for watching.